here's my weird take. Having worked in software for a long time, it seems to me like we go through periods of bundling and unbundling. I think that this wave of AI is kicking off a new long cycle of unbundling like we've never experienced before. It comes down to the fact that code generation is getting better and better. Why did we bother learning programming languages? I think it's because we want computers to do stuff. Computers have historically been too dumb to navigate ambiguity. A programming language is just a very formal, constrained language to speak very precisely about what you want. When that stops being a requirement for getting something out of a computer, when people can just use English, it changes how software engineering should work. Not just will work, but should work. Here's what I mean. Everything I buy that is some data generating service comes with some dashboard. And every dashboard has some product manager who's in charge of the dashboard who probably has a backlog of features. And on some periodicity, maybe every 2 weeks is like looking at the backlog and deciding what things are actually going to get built. And I, as a user of the system, cannot do a thing until the PM decides, okay, that's a feature we're actually going to write and we're going to ship. Right?
You can have this, yeah.
Yes. If I, as a untutored user, can explain to my local LLM, this is the data I want to extract out of my Aura ring, and I want you to correlate it with this other stuff, and then I want you to show it to me in a graph that looks like this, then I am getting like use out of those information systems without some product manager having contemplated that use case and built for it in advance. So it's precisely because of that destabilization that I think we're going to enter this amazing new period of unbundling.
Back to the people. Right? Yep.
First, we software and product designers are going to like resist this, but we're going to start leaning into it and going, maybe this is not about bolting a chatbot onto the dashboard. This is actually about empowering users to change the way the dashboard works on the fly with a generative interface. So I'm really excited about that because in effect, it pushes intelligence and flexibility to the edge of our computing systems. Ordinary people are going to have power that they never had before. So it's not just about central AIs having a tremendous amount of power and intelligence. I think this empowers the edges, and that's going to be destabilizing to a bunch of existing power structures, but I think it's broadly going to be good for all of us because it's literally human empowerment. That's the source of the excitement you can hear in my voice.